So my darlings, my hubby, he bought some Montreal smoked meat that was on sale. It was 50% off or something. Like, needed to go. So I'm making myself a sandwich here with the smoked meat. And I put some cheese on there, and then I've got some mustard. And I guess you're supposed to, with the Montreal smoked meat sandwich is good with pickles, but sadly I don't have any pickles. But anyways, this is what I'm having for my lunch today. So here it is cut up. And yes, a Montreal smoked meat sandwich, usually you use rye bread. This is just plain white. That's what we had. So, and I put olives on it. It's my Italian in me, considering I don't have any pickles, because it's supposedly good with pickles. So what's for dinner tonight, my darlings, is I made these for my husband. I'm going to have something else, but these are pizza dogs, like pizza hot dogs. I got sauce on there, pepperonis on there, and then a hot dog, and then cheese that I grated. And I'm going to put them under the broiler, and I'll let you know when they're all ready. I cooked the hot dogs on the frying pan too, and the pepperoni. And here they are, the pizza dogs out of the oven for my hubby, for what he's having for dinner tonight. Very easy, simple to do, quick. Good. So my darlings, this is what we're having for dinner tonight. I'm making tuna melts. They're not my hubby's favorite, but this is what we're having. Just get a can of tuna, mix it, drain it, mix it with some mayo, and if you want to put onions or celery or whatever you want in it, go right ahead. And I just took some hamburger buns, and I put the mixture on it, and then I put the cheese, and then I'm going to put it under the grill, and I'll show you what they look like when they come back. So here, my darlings, here's how the tuna melts turned out. And I just put some fresh broccoli so he can dip, and that's a Caesar dressing. So this is what we're having for dinner tonight. Something quick and easy. I know it's not his favorite, but hopefully, if not, oh well. So my darlings, this is what we're having for dinner tonight. This is the first time I've ever cooked pasta in the microwave. I didn't really even know you could do that. But it took longer than I thought. And then I made this little pork chop with some cream of mushroom soup on the top of it with a little bit of cheese. I did those in the air fryer. So I used the rest of the cream of mushroom soup and made it into like a sauce for the pasta. So this is what we're having for dinner tonight. And here's what I'm having for lunch, my darlings. I made myself a salad. I had a pork chop left, a little pork chop, so I just cut it up and put it in there. And there's some broccoli in there, romaine lettuce, and then Caesar dressing and some pre-grated Parmesan cheese. My darlings, it's a cardinal. So my darlings, we have this, I think you call it Haven Greens, baby red and green leafed. I saw this on our Canadian news. I had no idea that, I thought I was eating Canadian lettuce, but I guess maybe in the past I haven't been, but this is a Canadian company. It was on the news the other night, and I saw this, I picked this up at Giant Tiger. I was so excited to see it there. So we're going to try. I'm going to make a salad. And yeah, so here's my salad with the Canadian lettuce that I just showed you. And I realized probably with that lettuce you're better off to do like a vinaigrette dressing. But if you know me by now, I love Caesar salad. So I love Caesar dressing. So I put Caesar dressing on this. With I got some broccoli, and I just cooked up a little bit of shrimp, and then I chopped the shrimp to have a little bit more pieces. And I didn't really have a whole lot of vegetables to put in, but I did put some grated Parmesan cheese in there, pre-grated. And so this is what I'm having for lunch today. I'll let you know on the lettuce, on the Canadian lettuce. I'm puzzled. What kind of lettuce have I been having for the last, I don't know, 45 years? Got the new Red Lobster shaker.
Yeah, it's
And
nice.
this drink comes in it. Oh, there, Live, Laugh, and Lobster. I love it. For my collection of Red Lobster items. And you can see it in the background here. That's what it is. And here's what we're having for dinner tonight, my darlings. I made this pizza. It's just a pepperoni and cheese. And the crust broke off there. But anyways, this is what we're having for dinner tonight. Sausage and pepperoni pizza with cheese. So I picked up the this Oliveri skillet gnocchi pesto mozzarella. I think it's new. Otherwise, yeah, it's new to me. I've never had it before. So I'm going to try it. And I'm just going to follow the directions on it. Let me know down below if you've had these and if you enjoyed it or not. Here they are out of the bag. You're supposed to fry them up for 5 to 6 minutes or whatever. You can put butter or olive oil. I put a little olive oil in there. And they're pesto mozzarella gnocchis. So there they are, cooked, my darlings. I'll let you know if we like them or not. It's they're pesto, right? There's pesto and mozzarella inside. So if you don't like pesto, you probably wouldn't like these. And pesto is like with garlic and basil and Parmesan cheese and I think pine nuts or something like that. So my darlings, this is what you're looking at. This is the ingredients for this thing called, I think it's called Pink Crush. And I got this recipe from the YouTube channel called Eat at Our Table, or Sit at Our Table, I think it's called. I will write their proper name down below. Nice couple, and we have Cool Whip here, cottage cheese, mini marshmallows, some Jello, and pineapple chunks. And all you do is you mix all this stuff together, and then you put it in the fridge, and it makes a nice dessert. So I'll show you the end results. So here it is, my darlings, all mixed together. I hope I did it right. I'm starting to think, I think they might have had, the pineapple was maybe crushed pineapple, not the chunk. Like the chunk. I have like the chunks of pineapple. So I'm not sure. But hopefully this turns out. I'm putting it in the fridge now to set up. So, and all you do is just mix all those together. And I didn't use the full bag of marshmallows, but you can if you'd like. But that was a pretty big bag, so I used like maybe half. So this is what we're having for dinner tonight, my darlings. We're having Tortino's. It's one of my favorite spots. And here's what I'm having, and jalapeno poppers. These are so good. They give you a dip, but I just use my own sour cream. And then I just got a cheeseburger. They have the best burgers, I think, in town. So there, this is what we're having. And hubby, he has a bacon cheeseburger with onion rings and a drink.